Binder has been a family business in the heart of Bavaria for generations. Almost 100 years of experience in industrial metalworking and innovative solution finding with stable and reliable manufacturing processes form the foundation of its success. Not only since the production of the Binder sidecar, but subsequently over decades. As a reliable partner with trusting business relationships, the Binder companies have made a name for themselves in the sectors of automotive, aerospace, power generation technology and architecture. Customers in these industries benefit from the synergy effects that emerge from the different types of experience. With its profound know-how, Binder covers the entire value-added supply chain, from expert advice and process development through material procurement and testing to the manufacture and delivery of complete assemblies. Thanks to the extensive production depth, all production processes can be carried out under one roof by the metalworking specialist Binder. This minimizes risks and provides planning reliability with maximum precision. Internationally renowned manufacturers from the automotive and mechanical engineering sectors rely on Metallwarenfabrik Reichertshofen Karl Binder GmbH in Bavaria. The machinery includes a wide variety of forming machines, with press forces of up to 2,000 tons and automated production lines and production cells of various sizes. This makes it possible to produce large volume components on progressive and transfer tools, as well as robot assembly lines with stringent requirements in a cost-optimized manner. The core is currently a fully automated line for the production of longitudinal carriers for car bodies. More than 120 robots in 4 production lines bend, glue, weld, and measure more than 4,000 structural assemblies daily. This offers our customers, also thanks to driverless transport systems within the production, highly automated production and logistics with the lowest susceptibility to errors. From individual parts made using complex manufacturing processes to large volume structural assemblies. With its many years of expertise, Binder produces highly reliable products at competitive prices. All relevant certifications for the metal industry are available and are being continuously expanded, such as the elementary TISAX label for information security and risk management. Wherever the metal industry may be heading, Binder is working on it innovatively and sustainably, just as it has done since 1926, as a stable, future-oriented company with a clear value proposition for its employees.